I'm here for the 2-week high school special for medicine, and we're here in Nepal right now.
So I've always been kind of interested in pursuing medicine, but I think before you commit to something, especially in university, it's important to gain a better understanding.
I didn't really know if I would be able to do it. It's definitely kind of a big idea to grasp, cutting someone open, things like that. And I wanted to see if I could handle it, and I definitely gained that exposure throughout the week.
So we first started off with something known as family planning, and then we moved on to 2 different hospitals, and over there we got to shadow different doctors, go into different departments like the maternity ward and then the surgical ward, or like dentistry or even radiology or psychiatry, and we got to understand how each department runs and to see where our interest lies as well.
It's kind of made me think more about what I want to do within medicine. Like maybe instead of specialising, I'd do like I'd be a GP or something, just so I can see a bit more of everything instead of focusing more on one thing.
The best thing by far of the whole trip was going to the operating theatre, and I got to watch a pelvic surgery and a breast surgery. And for me, I always thought, and I don't know if that's something I can handle, I want to be an observation doctor. But I showed up and I went to the OR, and I think it kind of confirmed for me that that interests me, so it might direct the way that I want to go in the medical field later in life.
Seeing it in real life and not just like on a screen or reading it on the websites has sparked my enthusiasm so much. I think I'm really interested in pursuing cardiology, perhaps, as we were allowed to stand in the room and actually watch an angiogram and angioplasty, which was really interesting to see.
When you're applying for university, it adds a huge thing onto your profile that, oh, I've done this 2-week internship where I got to shadow doctors and I understood how the field exactly works, and now I know for sure that I'm the right fit for this field, so I'm going to be able to excel in it. So it helps a lot for applications. But even apart from applications, just for reassuring yourself that, oh, okay, so I know what I'm doing and I know that I'm doing this for sure. We went and we did like an outreach program with children, like preschool children, and we taught them about like how to keep your dental hygiene and also how to keep your hands clean. So we had like hand wash and teeth programs running around, and it was really fun. Like we spent time with them.
We had big foam blocks that had a slice in it, and after a lecture we got to actually hands-on try suturing the block, and I feel like it was a great way to actually like suture something without doing it on someone, if that makes sense. And it was very fun because we actually learned how to do the knots and the different types of sutures. So I really enjoyed the class. It was fun.
We just finished a yoga class, and now we're going to go and make some momos. The culture is like pretty cool. It's pretty exciting to learn about.
It was definitely adjustment at first, especially a culture shock. It's actually just like a great experience because you're exposed to so many different things that I'm not used to. In a few days, everyone was really close. It took like 2 days to warm up, and then we all played cards at night. And the dance class we did the other day was so fun. Everyone got into it and just had a good time, and I think it brought us a lot closer because we're all like doing our thing, you know?
So the weekend was actually like one of the highlights. We started by going to the Chitwan National Park, which is like a really beautiful area in Nepal. Like we saw a wild rhino like a couple 100 meters away from the actual hotel, which was crazy. Went on a hike the next day up a mountain to see a temple at the top, which was hard work but really rewarding. Yeah.
Especially when we run like 2 idiots.
Because you hear about Mount Everest being in Nepal and that kind of thing, you think it's going to be really cold, but it's actually like, yeah, it's very hot down here, which I didn't expect when I first got here.
Bring a handheld fan.
It's very hot.
But it's awesome. It's like the experience of a lifetime. You get to do not only experience in medicine, but like seeing wild rhinos and that kind of thing. It's really, really cool.
So yeah, I'm really glad for this opportunity.
There's a bird. Hello there.